All right, everybody, this is what the student copy looks like for the what is the nature of science activity. So when you open up your own Google slide presentation, it's going to start with the introduction slide. It's going to talk about that we're going to engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. That's going to be some of our things that we do. Slides 4 and 5 are in-class activities. So we're going to be we did this during our live Zoom today. We're going to try to figure out these shapes. And you can see that your task is to put the puzzle pieces together to make a perfect square. The puzzle pieces should be touching, but should not be overlapping. And you can move them around. This little button, the circle right here, can rotate them. And you need to figure out how to put these together to create a perfect square. And you shape them together. Now, it's not required that you figure it out. I'm going to show you the key in class, but I at least want you to try to move them. It is a challenge, so please try to do that. Slide 5 is when scientists are often presented with new information that causes them to change the way that they think. The yellow square represents the new information. Given the new information, complete the same task, but try to arrange the pieces to a perfect square. You may rotate them again. Don't touch these outside squares and change the shape of them. You want to make sure it stays the same shape. But please make sure that you try to incorporate this new yellow square to make another perfect square. And then I want you to reflect on it. What did you learn from this activity? Slides 7, 8, and 9 is on your own. You're going to click on this box. You have to click on it in your present mode. And it's going to take you to a website talking about different types of science careers. So if I go back to the copy and I hit my escape button on the top left of my screen, I can look at both screens. You're going to learn a little bit more about scientists. You're going to go to the picture and click on it. That's how I opened up this page. And you're going to pick 2 of these that you find interesting. And when you pick 2, you click on them, and it's going to give you information and facts about that individual career. You can keep going back. But I want you to choose 2. Type the name of the career here. You can type or copy and paste 2 facts into this box, and then I want you to look up a picture. So say I am going to look up a zoologist because I like animals. I'll type in zoology or zoologist, and I'm going to pick a picture. Could be this lady working with a giraffe, and I will copy and paste it. I can resize it, and you'll put it over there. So I want you to make sure that you provide a picture spotlighting the science career that you chose. But again, you go here, you choose 2, you click on them and learn a little bit more. You copy 2 facts into here and make sure that you type the name of the type of career that you chose. This is something you're going to be doing on your own. With that same website that has all of the careers listed, the Science Kids, you're going to drag and drop. You select it and put them in the right spot for what each of these careers, these jobs complete. So the drag and drop activity. At the very last part, the reflect on it, I would like you to put, what did you learn about science so far? Do you have any other questions? Minimum 5 sentences. You're going to type here. For an additional homework, you have a CK12 article to work on. You have to have this in present mode to click on it. So again, click here to go to your activity, and it opens up CK12, and you're going to read the fields of life sciences. So this is jobs just in life science, and you can see there's only 3 small paragraphs, some tables, and then this little paragraph, and you're done. So it's not a long article at all. But I want you to go back to Google Classroom because there will be a couple questions to answer with it. So make sure that you do that. Few tests today. But here's the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.